In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up volume profile properly in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean, fixed-range volume profile anchored to your chosen session, optimized for detail with value area high/low and point of control visible, and set to extend automatically as new data arrives. First, select the tool. On the left toolbar in TradingView, move to the 5th or 6th tool group, the one that usually includes forecasting or drawing tools. Click to expand it, then select Fixed Range Volume Profile. You'll see your cursor change, ready to anchor the profile on the chart. Next, anchor the profile. Click once on the exact starting point you want to measure from, for example, the low or high of a session. Then click a second point to span the range you want to analyze, such as from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. for equities. Now the profile will appear for that selected range, showing the distribution of traded volume at each price within the span you chose. Now optimize the settings. Double-click directly on the volume profile histogram to open its settings panel. In the Inputs tab, set row size to a higher number, for example 500 to 1000, to increase the number of price rows and reveal more detail in the profile. If you need a finer or coarser view, you can adjust this later the same way. Still in Inputs, find Volume and change it to Total to see combined buying and selling volume merged into one figure. If you prefer to see them separated, you can keep it on Up/Down. Total is a simpler view. Up/Down breaks out volume by direction. Choose the one that matches your workflow. Set Value Area Volume to 70%. Now this defines the core trading zone where most of the volume occurred in your selected range. Leaving it at 70% is a widely used standard and helps you identify the most accepted prices quickly. Move to the Style tab, turn on Value Area High and Value Area Low so their lines are visible on your chart. These mark the upper and lower boundaries of that 70% value area you just set. Also enable the point of control. This is the brightest or thickest line on the profile and represents the single price level with the most traded volume in your range. If you see options for colors or line thickness, choose settings that are easy to read against your chart background. Changing style here won't affect your data. It only changes how the levels look on screen. Once that's done, extend and customize the display so it stays useful as the market moves. In the settings, enable Extend. With Extend turned on, the volume profile will project to the right side of the chart as new candles print, keeping the levels visible beyond the original range. This is helpful if you want the value area high, value area low, and point of control to remain on screen as price action develops. Apply your changes to confirm. At this point, your fixed range volume profile is set up and optimized. You selected the correct tool, anchored it to a clear session range, increased row size for better granularity, chose the appropriate volume display, defined the value area at 70%, enabled the key levels VAH, VAL, and POC, and turned on Extend so the profile continues projecting forward with new data. Your volume profile in TradingView is now properly configured and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.